Okay, this is question number 10 on the higher non-calculator paper. Okay, just let's look at this question, read through the question and see what we need to do. The first thing I spot is that there's a star next to the question number. That means that there's marks for quality of written communication in this question. Alright, reading the question. Rail tickets and cheap trains are two websites selling train tickets. Each website adds a credit card charge, so they add a credit card charge and a booking fee for the ticket price. So for rail tickets, the credit card charge is 2.25% and the booking fee is 80 pence. For cheap trains, the credit card charge is 1.5% of the ticket price and the booking fee is £1.90. So in the question itself it says Nadia wants to buy a train ticket. The ticket price is £60 on each website. Nadia will pay with a credit card. Will it be cheaper for Nadia to buy a train ticket from rail tickets or cheap trains? So this is a best buy question. They want you to identify which website has the cheaper ticket price. So because there's marks for quality of written communication because of the star there, one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to split this in two. I'm going to sort of make two sections. I'm going to do my workings out for rail tickets on one side and for cheap trains on the other. So rail tickets, now for rail tickets, it's the credit card charges 2.25% of the ticket price. Now the ticket price is £60. It's for both rail tickets and cheap trains. It's £60. So the charge is 2.25%. I'm going to find 1% first. 1% of something means I need to divide by 100. I'm going to put that here just so that you understand what I'm doing. So if I do £60, if I divide that by 100, that's 0.6 or 0.60 pounds, which in pence is 60 pence. You're going to have to think about that a bit, but that is 1%. What that means is 2% is going to be £1.20. So if 1% is 60p, 2% is 120 pence, which is £1.20. Now, the extra bit is 0.25%. Now, 0.25%, that's the same as a quarter. Okay, so that's the same as a quarter. 0.25%, that's the same as a quarter of a percent. So what's a quarter? 1% is 60 pence. So a quarter of that, 60p divided by 4, that's 15 pence. Okay, so I'm in a position now where I can actually work out 2.25% of £60. Now what is that? 2.25% is 2%, which is £1.20, plus 0.25%, which is 15 pence. Now I'm adding there a combination of pounds and pence, and so all together that's going to be £1.35. That is the credit card charge. But for rail tickets, now if I just move this up a bit, okay, so I have a bit of more room now. So the total charge, right? So each website adds a credit card charge and a booking fee to the price. So the booking fee booking fee in this case is 80 pence. So the total added to the price of the ticket is £1.35 added to 80 pence, and that altogether is going to be £1.35 at 80 pence. It's going to be £2.15. Just a bit, you'll get to see the rest of it. Okay, so that's the total amount added by rail tickets. I've done all the workings. I've actually shown every stage of it. You may well need to show similar amounts. For cheap trains, well, the ticket price is still 60 quid, right? They said that the ticket price on each website is £60. So what I need to find out is I will need to work out the credit card charge, which is 1.5%. In this question, the credit card charge is 1.5%. If I just bring this down a bit, you can see that. Okay, so I'm going to use a similar method. 1% of 60. Now, I've actually worked that out here. 1% is 60 pence. It's 1.5%. So working out 0.5%, 0.5% is going to be half of that, which is 30 pence. So what that means is 1.5% is going to be 90p. Now the booking fee in this case is £1.90. So the booking fee is £1.90. So for cheap trains, the total added is 90 pence plus £1.90. Okay, if I work that out, 90 pence plus £1.90, that's £2.80. I'm going to raise this up now because I'm going to write a sentence to say what the difference is. Now there's all my workings. Everything there is clear. The question said, will it be cheaper for Nadia to buy the train ticket from rail tickets or cheap trains? Well, she's going to pay £60 for the ticket on both websites. But on rail tickets, the extra charge is going to be £2.15. On cheap trains, the extra charge is going to be £2.80. So that means it will be cheaper for Nadia to buy the train ticket from rail tickets because the extra charge is smaller. £2.15. And that's it. Now, you need to go through the stages of each. The percentage calculation is pretty straightforward, right? But you need to realize that there are two things added on to the price of the ticket. There's the credit card charge as well as the booking fee. And I've done that in both of these. Look through this again. This question is pretty straightforward, and there's the potential to get quite a few marks in this.